ground, you will blow your head off.
Says the genius flagging himself with a barrel pointing right at his head.
It happens in basic training every day. And you all get a letter and a flag saying your son was killed in a training accident.
Let's see here. Training accident, military. Let's see. Well, there are quite a few people that do die while they're in training. However, most of these look like they were vehicle-related training incidents, and no firearm ones. Very interesting. Hey, but you know what? Let's get our facts and go, guys. Good job, Grandmaster. I mean, if dudes are handling guns like this guy, maybe they are getting their heads blown off, but